Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 2161st edition of Short Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, we're picking up where we left off last night with the Nasdaq. In last night's video, I said, please do not put nails in this market's coffin yet. Give Nasdaq a couple of days, and I explained why to you. And I said, look, we breached this massive channel. So we breached it on top a little bit. It came right back into the channel. And when it cracked, we breached it on the bottom. But it's back into the channel for now. So this video is being filmed on Wednesday night for trading Thursday, September 10th, 2020. Remember that trading is very risky, trading of every nature, any nature. If you don't know what you're doing, you can be wiped out. Please put your stops in first. Never trade without stops. And know that options, futures, or anything like them can cost you more money than you have in your trading account. So let's get moving. Nasdaq daily bar, or the Tesla Zondak, because Nasdaq tends to be a slave to these two stocks. If Tesla or Amazon move, so does Nasdaq. They're heavily weighted right now, and I have noticed that the correlation is out of control. But in any event, you're looking at the Tesla chart. Excuse me. You're looking at the Tesla Zondak Nasdaq chart. And I have shown you this channel for weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks on end. It starts all the way back here and just continues right up till top day. So we've held the channel so many times here, and we held it here, and two attempts right here, and then it held down here, and another small attempt here, and finally on a massive rally it breaches the channel for a couple of days. Comes right back down, smashing down with extreme volatility, gets through the channel, and last night I told you, do not count these markets out. Why can't it just get right back in the channel? That was before we had this bar. This is where we were last night. Now I'm going to add Wednesday's bar back in. This is Wednesday's bar populated. We're back in the channel, but look at this thing right here, the 50 bar moving average. Look at the bounce off that 50 bar moving average. So Omni has turned green again, or at least it's starting to point back up. We're bouncing off the 50 bar moving average. The street watches that. Wall Street watches that like a hawk. We're back inside of this massive channel. The economy certainly hasn't changed from last week till now, so I don't think that anything else happened here except for we had a holiday reversal, and during that holiday reversal, we just penetrated down through the channel a little bit too much. Bounced off the 50, as I mentioned, and now is back in the channel. So for now, you can become a very cautious buyer of dips. And as long as we stay inside this channel here, the blue channel, I think Nasdaq pulls the market higher. But look at this other market that I found interesting for trading on Thursday. Look at the gold market. The gold has a massive pennant flag building right here. It doesn't look like the flag's done with because you got a lot of room here. So it's bouncing up and down inside the pennant flag. Well, we just bounced off the pennant flag, and guess what else we bounced off of at the same time? The 50 bar moving average. It is in play this week, kids. You're bouncing off of it. Omni's bullish. We have a buy recommendation for gold. Of course, our stop will go in first. God forbid gold goes down instead of up. Our stop will be in. We'll have a normal size loss, and that'll be that. But for now, we're looking at gold and possibly buying a decent-sized dip in E-mini S&P or Nasdaq. Maybe even Russell, whatever dips decently into an Omni area. And for gold, I think gold is a buy. You buy dips in gold and at least watch it get back up to the top of this pennant, which would be a big, fat trade for you. So that's what I'm looking for trading on Thursday. Please join my site, livewithoscar.com. My trading room is free. I am there all the time. I happen to be running an Omni camp this weekend, which is a 4-night event or a 5-night, 4-day event. So I won't be in the trading room on Friday or much of Monday, but I'm always in that trading room, barring the Omni camps. I'll see you there. Remember to keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do to keep those emotions at bay, and believe me, I know that's not easy, but say this to yourselves. It'll help keep those emotions at bay when in a trade over and over again. And by now, I believe you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll traders, I will see you all at my free live trading room at livewithoscar.com.